Hello and welcome to the NetPicks channel. My name is Eric and today we're going to be talking about debit spreads and specifically a put debit spread. So in our video here we're looking at the ThinkorSwim platform. We are on charts. We're looking at the SPY. It's currently trading at about 694, and because it's moved so much over the last 3 or 4 days and gapped up, we're looking at a potential pullback. And if we wanted to look at the price here at 694 and maybe pulling back to the 690 area, and we marking this up on a chart here just so that you can see the area that I'm talking about for our debit spread. If we saw price move back down to this line from where we're currently trading, then we would design a trade with a debit spread to be a put debit spread and use strikes that were in this range to represent what we think is going to happen, what we would like to happen in our trade. So let's come on over to the trade tab on ThinkorSwim, and we've typed in SPY here. Now let's look for an expiration date. That's maybe out, give us some time, 10 days to the 24th of April. And if we pick a strike that is currently trading at or near the money, in the money, or at the money, if we chose the 694 strike and sold the 690 strike, that's a $4 wide spread. And we're looking at our chart. That would represent this area here between the top line and the lower line. And if we expect price to retrace somewhat into this area, we would set this trade up by buying the 694 and selling the 690, thus creating our spread. It's currently trading for less than half on what the width of the spread is, so $1.44 or so. And we could make this purchase, and over the course of the next 10 days, as long as we see price roll over and come back down to any degree, we could see a pretty substantial return in a short period of time on our debit spread. So I hope that helps. Again, this is a bearish trade on SPY specifically, and we would set that trade up demonstrating how price, if it moved from our current level of 694 towards 690, how we could profit from that and see this trade increase by 10 or 15 or 20% over the next 10 days. If you'd like more information about trading options, click on the link below and we'll be glad to send you in another report or information related to trading options.